How to see the Telegram channel cannot be displayed. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see Telegram channel cannot be displayed. First of all, open up the Telegram app. Once you get into its app, you need to find the channel options, and if you're unable to see it, then open up your Telegram account in web browser. Now from here, click on its menu from the top left corner and choose the settings option from here. After that, select the privacy and security option from the settings. Then scroll down in privacy. You will see the disable filtering option in the sensitive content block. Click on that option. After that, you will be able to see Telegram channels in your Telegram app. If you encountered this problem exclusively on a particular channel and it does not affect your experience on other channels, it would indicate that you have been banned from that channel or certain restrictions have been imposed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.